your official Samantha 420. I'm gonna do my llama dance. Happy llama, sad llama, big fat. What? Happy llama, sad llama, mentally disturbed llama, drama llama, big fat mama llama, moose, turtle. Roar! 'Cause I'm a dinosaur and I go roar! Okay, first off, the reason I like dinosaurs so much is because, like, I'm in love with Jimmy. He's my dinosaur, and it's like roar! And Sammy. Well, as you can see, I have some problems. And I murder gummy bears. Llamas. Awkward turtle. Comments about me because I'm just so stupid. Bye. Stupid. Because I like Twinkies. My llama. Stupid. And I murder gummy bears.